Good morning, class. Today we are going to do the chapter Triumph of Surgery by James Harriet. We will do this chapter from your book Footprints Without Feet, your supplementary reader for class 10th English. So, Triumph of Surgery is the first chapter. Let us discuss about the Triumph of Surgery. Let me tell you about the author first. Who is the author? James Harriet, a British veterinary surgeon, means a doctor who treats animals. All his writings are inspired by his life experiences, and same goes with this chapter as well. So let us discuss about the main character in this chapter. There are three main characters in this chapter: James Harriet, the narrator; Mrs. Pumphrey, the mistress of Tricky; Tricky, the dog. So basically this story revolves around all these three characters. Now we will discuss about the story fully. So let us start with the description. So Tricky's story goes as, here it is written on your book like this, page number if you would see. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So, a triumph of surgery. Let us understand the meaning of triumph first. Triumph means a great success or victory. Surgery, you know very well, when someone undergoes any kind of operation or something like that is surgery. So a triumph of surgery. So let's see what happens in A Triumph of Surgery by James Harriet. James Harriet, as I have already told you, a veterinary doctor, narrates the story of Tricky, the dog, and how he gets better. He saw Tricky one day with his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Doctor was shocked to see Tricky's appearance. He was seriously overweighted and had bloodshot eyes. Mrs. Pumphrey quickly explained that she thought Tricky was suffering from malnutrition, so she fed him some malt, cod liver, oil, and bowl of Horlicks. You can't believe, but the dog was seriously having all kind of this diet. So she also confessed that she fed him some cream cakes and chocolates. James realized the situation was bad. Moreover, the dog could never say no to food. So the doctor gave the mistress of the dog some stern advice. However, when he noticed her walk away with Tricky, he thought it would not be long before he heard from her. Means she would call him very soon, and so she did. She complained that Tricky was refusing food and was suffering from bouts of vomiting because he was overfed. So this was the common symptom when you are just done with overfooding, then obviously vomitings are the same cause. James was already prepared for this. He had also made a plan for this. He knew that the only way to cure Tricky was to get him away from the house and into his clinic. So he came to Mrs. Pumphrey's house and suggested Tricky to be removed to his clinic for 2 weeks. Imagine 2 weeks without pet, and Mrs. Pumphrey's center of attention was only Tricky. So what was the reaction? Mrs. Pumphrey at first was reluctant to the suggestion, but doctor was very firm. So James took a hold on Tricky and carried him down into his car. The whole household was in uproar. This was really a comic scene, and this shows that how much Tricky was important for the family, for the servants, for Mrs. Pumphrey. The staff rushed about grabbing all the stuff for Tricky, like his toys, clothes, bowls, and blanket for Tricky. The narrator, realizing that items would not fit in his car, so he drove away from there in no time, means very quickly. From his rear view mirror, he saw the entire household standing on the road in tears. At this point, he was also feeling sad for Mrs. Pumphrey and the staff, but he couldn't do anything. So what happened now? Now the Tricky was taken to narrator's clinic. At his clinic, the dog came rushing to him. Other dogs that were already there. So the dogs came rushing to him. Tricky, in contrast, just stared at them with dull eyes because he was seriously ill. For the next 2 days, Tricky was given only water and no food. At the end of the second day, Tricky started showing some interest in surroundings. On the third day, the narrator led Tricky to the other dogs playing in the yard. Tricky slowly followed the dogs around as they played. Later, after the dogs were fed, Tricky sniffed their bowls, licking them casually. Now the story is moving so interestingly. What happened the next day? The next day, when a bowl was set for him, Tricky joined the other dogs for his meal because he was not having any meal from the last 2 days. That was the turning point for Tricky. From then on, he made a rapid progress, fighting with other dogs for food and hunting rats at night. Tricky also started running around with the dogs. On hearing that, Mrs. Pumphrey started bringing around baskets of eggs. Not only this, she started sending wine. So it became a fun affair for the doctor and his assistant to have glasses of wine with meal every day. Because Tricky was not going to have wine now. The doctor was enjoying the wine and his assistant as well. Moreover, she sent a bottle brandy. Dr. James and his assistant reverently enjoyed the drink at dinner. So the result of all these was Dr. James was tempted to keep Tricky permanently because he was really a feast to treat. Because of him, they were getting wines, brandy, eggs, basket full of eggs. If only for the wine, and that is not for the eggs and all that. But he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering because Tricky was with them. So he called her and gave her the good news. Within minutes, Mrs. Pumphrey arrived at the clinic. There was a marked change in Tricky now. Tricky was no longer a fat or bloated animal. Now he was agile, means very active and well muscled and kept up well with other dogs. Means the dogs, those who were in the clinic. James carried Tricky back to Mrs. Pumphrey's car. The minute Tricky saw his owner, so what is the reaction of a pet when they saw their owner after a long time? Obviously, they jumped. Okay, they are excited. So was Tricky. He jumped out of James' arms and rushed at Mrs. Pumphrey. She tried to defend herself as Tricky barked and licked her face. Mrs. Pumphrey, with tearful eyes, thanked James. She believed it was triumph of surgery. She was believing that he underwent some operation and was recovered in this way. So this chapter is done. I hope all we have discussed is clear to you. Moreover, I am sending you the notes of this. So thank you for the day.